TCRAM, English Language Conventions, Past Perfect Tense, Past Participle, 8th grade skill level, question 15. Memedicine, antidote your ignorance. Show some love and throw some bands on my cashapp. Cashapp, hashtag, $, Keep me fueled. I can continuously provide you with these bills. Keep you in the know and up your knowledge game. Be sure to subscribe. English Foundation, Verb Tense, question 15. Complete the sentence with the past perfect form of the verb. Visiting Egypt's pyramids at Giza, blank, a long trek across the open desert until nearby cities expanded their borders, reducing the length of the trip. The task here is to shift the tense of require to its past perfect verb form. The perfect tense describes completed actions. Another way of saying this is the perfect tense usually tells about something that has, had, or will have happened. To form the perfect tense, use a form of the helping verb to have with the past participle of the main verb. The past participle of a verb is usually the same as its past tense form. Its simple past tense form, that is. But sometimes the verb is irregular. The past perfect tense tells about something that had happened before something else. It uses the past tense form of the helping verb to have, which is had. Check out this example. We had finished dinner by the time Tim arrived. Again, we've used the past tense form of to have, which is had, across the board, regardless of whether or not our subject is plural or singular. And we've paired it with the past participle of the main verb, whose original form is finished. So finished is regular. It doesn't have a different past participle. Its past participle and its past tense form are the same. So had finished is the correct past perfect tense verb form. All right, back to the original question, now for a detailed solution. Again, the past perfect tense describes a completed action that had happened before something else. And keep in mind that this something else also took place in the past, but it happened in the more recent past relative to where we're standing in time right now. To form the past perfect tense, use the past tense form of the helping verb to have, which is had, H-A-D. You're going to combine that with the past participle of the main verb. According to this rule, had required is the past perfect tense of the verb require. The main verb require is regular. Notice that the past participle of the verb required is the same as its simple past tense verb form required. Okay, so they're both the same because the verb is regular. I'm reiterating again that had required is the correct past perfect verb form of require. The pilgrimage across the desert used to require a long travel time before local borders were opened. We have preceded required with the past tense form of the helping verb to have that agrees in number with the third person subject of the verb, Egypt's pyramid at Giza. Had required is the correct past perfect tense verb form.